Here I have Motorola Moto X40, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key plus volume up, tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the third option, recovery mode. When you see this no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.